Hello, everybody. Today is Tuesday, December the 9th, 2014. My name is Michael Wright, and this is the daily LEA video. Just before going forward, please do pause the recording and read over our risk disclaimer. All right, so let's jump right into the markets. As of late, there are no open trades. But indeed we are stalking the pound dollar. That's going to be the focus of this video. Here is the pound dollar 4-hour time frame. A lot of things to take notice of. One is that the pair is in a congested triangle. Okay, so we look forward to, or we look for a breakout just above 156.50 for long positions. Okay, that's ideal above, again, 156.50 for longs, and targeting at least a 161 162 area. The reason why is because on this 4-hour time frame you can see that as it continued to remain depressed and push lower, that there's actually some divergence, bullish momentum divergence, that we're looking for going forward. You can divergence first dating back to the beginning of September, and picking up since then, and then at the same time recent divergence from from the middle of November, that as prices continue to make new lows, momentum failed to follow through with that. So again, looking for a reversal, but looking for a breakout above 156.50 for those longs, and we'll see how that develops. Looking at the daily time frame. Okay, if it does push lower to 78.29, that's about 40 pips. We like longs there too. Okay, so again, is either going to be about 40, 50 pips lower, or about the same thing higher. So I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for things to progress forward. Not really going to chase up. I'm not really going to chase price action, but keep an eye on breakout in the near term. At the same time, we could take a look at its counterpart. The pound CAD had a breakout recently, actually, but this wasn't enough in terms of how we like to trade, in terms of getting into a position. The third test, it kind of really shot right through. On average, we like to see prices respect certain ranges before getting on board with the trade. So that one, if you took that trade, good one. But pound dollar, in my opinion, is one that is clearer, at least from how price action is developing. One thing to take notice of too, here's the euro dollar, but one thing to take notice of too is that we are heading into the holiday season. Okay, Christmas and New Year's. So just take notice and be careful of light liquidity across the board. All right. If things do filter out as we're expecting, then we will still take the trade. But if you're looking for some short 100 pip moves, 200 pip moves, don't really go chasing it during this time, as a lot of traders are offline in light of traveling for the holidays. Here we also have dollar CAD. Dollar CAD is one we were watching for quite some time. The trade that would have been ideal would have been longs against this trend line. We were eyeing it, didn't take that, but very similar to the pound dollar, but just reversed, is you can see the momentum divergence in favor of the commodity currency, and this one is the Canadian dollar, also known as the loni. But in either case, we can see, but this is more extreme, that prices continue to push higher, but momentum really failed to follow through that as well. All right, so let's keep an eye on dollar CAD and pound dollar. Pound dollar is more short term. Dollar CAD will take some time, so I don't rule out the dollar CAD not breaking out until maybe next week or towards the end of the month. All right, guys. I want to thank you all for watching the daily video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email us at info@globalfxclub.com. Cheers and good luck trading.